Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 5 and 6 of exercise 12.1. In question number 5 we have find the value of m. You have to find the value of m. Okay, so let me write it down. That is 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 equals to 5 to the power 5. Okay, now these two terms are carrying the same base, isn't it? 5 and 5, and they are carrying a division sign between them. So what we do with the powers? We subtract the powers. Exactly. Now 5m, as because in case of division we have to do the division, we have to do the subtraction, so we will put it minus sign, and this power is already carrying minus sign, isn't it? So minus 3 equals to 5 to the power 5. Okay, now minus minus is what? Minus minus will become plus. Exactly. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. Now this is very important. From here what we have to do, you see, as because this is, there is a equal to sign is there, so it is an equation. It is an equation. So when you see that in both the side of the equation, if you see the powers base as same, I repeat, if you see there is an equation where the base are same, okay, the base are same, so in this case we'll compare the power. Okay, LHS also base we are having what? 5. RHS also base we are having what? 5. So in this case we'll compare the power. Okay, so we'll write it down, comparing the powers, comparing the powers. M plus 3 is equals to 5. M plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, now we have to transpose this plus 3 towards right hand side. So value of m would be 5 minus 3. So the value of m is 2. So this is your final answer. Very important sum, students. Okay, so do it very carefully. If you have not understood it, go back to the video and again try to understand. Okay, very important sum. Now let's move on to sum number 1 of question number 6. This is sum number 1 of question number 6. Now these two terms are carrying negative powers, so you know that to make it a positive one we have to do the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? It is 3. As because one power is there, so we'll not write it down. So 1 by 4, reciprocal of 1 by 4 is what? 4 only. We'll not write the power as because power is only 1. And this power we have to write as because this is outside the bracket. Now 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1, isn't it? So minus 1 to the power minus 1. Now see, again power is minus. Okay, so we have to write the reciprocal of minus 1. So reciprocal of minus 1 is what? Minus 1 only, because if I ask you what is the reciprocal of 1, 1 means what? 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 reciprocal is what? 1 by 1 only. So if I say what is the reciprocal of minus 1, the reciprocal of minus 1 is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 only. Okay, so minus 1 reciprocal is minus 1 only. So you will write minus 1. So this is your answer. Okay, so this is also another very important question. Let's move on to sum number 2. Sum number 2. Now you see, carefully observe 5 by 8, 8 by 5. See, we can make any one term, we can change the power. Okay, that is, suppose if we make this power as positive, so we have to do the reciprocal of this, isn't it? So if I do the reciprocal of this particular fraction, that is 5 by 8, okay, we'll keep this as intact. Okay, we'll not change this, so this will become positive, isn't it? Like this. If I do the reciprocal of this, then the power will become positive. And if I do not change this, suppose if I keep this power as intact, okay, that is 8 by 5 to the power minus 4. Now if we carefully observe, then these two terms are carrying the same base. Now what is the base? 8 by 5, 8 by 5. Now in case of multiplication, what we do with the powers? We add the powers. So now what we do? 8 by 5, okay, 7 plus minus 4. See, it becomes very easy. Okay, now 8 by 5, 7 minus 4, that will become 8 by 5 to the power 3. Okay, and if you open the bracket, then 8 into 8 into 8, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now what is 8 into 8 into 8? So you all wait, it would be 512, and 5 into 5 into 5 would be 125. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so if you're carrying any problem with any sum, please go back to the videos and watch it out. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.